Hello everyone, it's Aisha. It is part 1, day 2 for my Shakeology versus EAS soy protein. Yesterday I was very hungry, primarily because I skipped breakfast and waited too long to work out, so then I was really hungry by lunchtime, which is when I took the shake yesterday. I ended up taking 2 cups because I was very hungry. Today is kind of a normal day. I just worked out. I did the circuit at Planet Fitness, 2 reps. And then I went ahead and ran 2.5 miles, part of the Baby Steps to 5K program. So same as yesterday, I have milk powder in here because I like milk. I'm going to go ahead and try to do 1 scoop again today and see how that goes. So we got 1 scoop. I have my shaker. And I measured out a cup of water. All in here. I'm actually looking forward to this because, you know, I enjoy the taste. The taste is pretty good. So, shake, shake, shake. Oh, wait. The instructions do say to shake for about 30 seconds, but I found that from yesterday that shaking for a few seconds is good enough. It dissolves really well, so I really appreciate that. And the water is room temperature. All right. So I still like the taste. It tastes like soy milk, which is pretty good. Pretty good. You know, the biggest thing here is that this shake claims to curb hunger. So I will see what it does for me. It's a good source of protein, and it's supposed to curb hunger. So, it should be a good meal replacement. I really want to find out if there are other shakes out there that compare to Shakeology. You know, because of the price mostly. And it's already gone. I really like the taste of the shake. So, I think it would be pretty awesome if I can find a shake out there that will give me the same benefits as Shakeology and also cost less. So, any one way to find out. So, let's see how the rest of the day goes. I look forward to tomorrow. Tomorrow's the 3rd and final day. I'm only doing 3 days. And then I'll do 3 days of water and then resume. So, let us find out what happens. Hey, so it's been about 2 hours since I took the shake, and I am pretty hungry. So I'm just going to go ahead and have dinner now. Just checking in.